Today we are going to learn about fractions. So the first question is, what is a fraction? So see children, a fraction is something that shows parts of a whole. Now imagine children, we are having a girl and she is having a pizza with her. Now suddenly her brother came in and she wanted to share that pizza with him. Now they've shared that pizza into halves, one half each. So recollect our definition children, a fraction is something that shows parts of a whole. Now they both have shared one half each, so we represent one half in this manner, 1 by 2. We read it like this children, 1 by 2. Now let us see what this 1 by 2 means. So the number which is below, that represents total number of parts, and the number which is on top, that represents how many parts we are talking about. That means how many parts we are sharing that into. Now total number of parts, how many children, how many parts we are having it? 2 total parts. That's the reason why we'll keep 2 down and 1 in the top, which is 1 piece each. The number which is below, it's called denominator children. The number which is below, it's called denominator, and the number which is on top, it's called numerator children. Denominator, down one, and the top part is numerator. Now there is one more example. See here children, now we are having a pizza which is cut into 4 pieces. Now in denominator, since how many total pieces we are having children? 4. So in denominator what we will write? 4. So then suddenly a girl came and she wants to take one slice from that whole pizza. How do we represent that children? So denominator, total 4 pieces are there, and that girl wants to take one piece. So 1 by 4. So we represent that fraction in 1 by 4 children. Now it's your turn children. Now what you have to do is that you have to guess the fractions. So what fractions is it? So now I am going to give you few situations. You have to try and understand that. Now imagine we are having 5 balls children, and in that 5 balls, one is basketball and the other 4 are footballs. Now tell me what fraction of basketballs are there in that. What is it children? We have to write what fraction of basketballs are there in that picture. Now start it off with numerator and denominator. So in denominator what we will write children? Total how many balls are there? 5. And in numerator what we want? Do we want footballs or basketball? So we want basketball. So how many basketballs are there children? Count. 1. So how do we represent that fraction children? Fraction of basketballs in this example, 1 by 5. Now children, we are moving on to our next example. See here children, we are having pets here. 2 pets, dogs and cats. So we have 2 dogs and 3 cats. Now tell me what fraction of cats we are having it here. What is it children? What fraction of cats we are having it? See children, again going back to our numerator by denominator. So in denominator what we will write children? Total number of pets. So how many pets are there? Count children. 5 pets, 2 dogs and 3 cats. Now in numerator what we want children? Fraction of cats. Now in numerator what we should write? How many cats are there? Count. 3 cats are there. Correct. So how do we represent that fraction children? 3 by 5. See here children, we'll try and revise our concept one more time. So we've started off with fraction. A fraction is something that shows parts of a whole. Then afterwards we've seen 1 by 2. So top part is numerator, down part is denominator. Top part shows how many parts we are talking about and the denominator shows total number of parts.